Hello, class. My name is Raphael Ward, and this is my Y-Cloud Computing presentation for class ITT 610, IT Development and Cloud Computing, Grand Canyon University. And with that said, we'll jump right into it. What exactly is cloud computing? This is something that we hear almost every day now. Businesses are all migrating to the cloud, so it's got to be something good, right? Okay, so according to Amazon Web Services, cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of IT resources over the internet with the pay-as-you-go price. Now, that could be really appealing to a lot of companies who's trying to cut costs. No longer are you maintaining on-site servers. In most instances, that is gone when you go to the cloud. Some things you may need on-site, but for the most part, you can get rid of all your hardware and run your software and documents and everything from the cloud. Okay, that gives you a brief understanding of what exactly cloud computing is. In the evolution of cloud computing, back in the pre-stages, back in the 1980s and mid-2000s, they called that the pre-cloud. This is where you had all the older computer companies like IBM and you have Windows 95 and 98. But then the cloud transition became when Amazon Web Services debuted in 2006. And right after that launched the iPhone. And this is what ushered in the cloud computing era. Because on the iPhone, all your data was stored in the cloud. That's exactly what iCloud literally is. And now you have a lot of companies that's only cloud. Some companies are on-site, some are the hybrid cloud, private cloud, the community cloud, but some companies are just completely cloud-based. Everything is 100% cloud. And on-site, on-premise versus the cloud. Okay, on-premise, your hardware is hosted on-site. Your software is installed and runs on the company's hardware infrastructure. It is expensive to maintain and to manage because you have to have network administrators and a whole IT team to maintain those servers. And it can get really expensive. The cloud, there's no hardware to install. The software is hosted in the cloud, and the license fees are much less. Since there's no hardware, there's no hardware to maintain, so you wouldn't need an IT department. What you could do is maybe contract somebody to come in and look at things when you have any IT related issues. Okay. Cloud hosting. Cloud hosting makes the applications that businesses use accessible using cloud resources or internet based. This is completely different from software that is deployed on an in-house server or workstations. Cloud management techniques. And here's a few that I listed. Develop efficient migration strategy, centralized cloud governance. And cloud governance is a set of rules and procedures designed to improve security, manage risk, and keeping things functioning in the cloud. That is very important. Increase visibility. If the IT planners can understand your business operations, they can better serve you. Reduce resource costs and integrate cloud into business. That means going straight to the cloud. Okay, here's some cloud deployment considerations. Things to consider when engaged in cloud development deployment. Hardware. Are you scaling up or scaling out? Software, which is operating system, the web server, relation, database, and file storage. All those are things to consider when going to deployment. And these are some of your primary cloud solutions, like software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. And here's my cloud network diagram. And that'll wrap up the presentation. Have a blessed day.